So we mentioned types. What types are they? Okay. So اسم المعرب, the أقسام are منصرف غير منصرف, منصرف غير منصرف. Fine. We will give them definition when they ask for definition. For now, they just ask for qism. So we said their qism. Two qism, what two aqsam, what two types? Munsarif, ghair munsarif. Fine. Yeah, first. Like munsarif, ghair munsarif means partially and fully declinable. Fine. Yeah, Arab is, endings, changing and change endings, changed endings, Arab. Yeah, whatever appears in end is Arab. Clear, right or not? Yeah, it can be fatha kasra dhamma or it can be alif ba ya. It can be double sign. So double sign or single sign, that's the harakat, Arab bil harakat, in shape of harakat in form. If there is a alif ba ya, it's Arab bil harakat in shape of, harf, Arab. It can be letter or a sign. Yeah, those endings are Arab. So with ending, changed ending, those are fully and partially. Yeah. Okay, number two is question two.